Hello all, welcome to part 6 of module 2 System Programming and Security. And this is the Security Tube Python Scripting Expert course and certification. So what are signals? Well, they allow you to handle asynchronous events properly. One of the most common examples I can give is when, let's say, on a Unix or Linux system, a specific process does not seem to probably exit on its own gracefully or something like that, you may have used the kill -9 option along with the process ID to kill that process. Now, the signal which the process gets when you use kill -9 is called sigkill, and unfortunately any process which receives that immediately has to shut down, right? So even though this sounds like pretty strong, signal programming itself is very uncomplicated and simple. So let's take up an example. Now, before you start programming, if you're interested in looking at all the list of signals available to you, a man 7 signals, or a man signal should kind of do it. This gives you the programming interface, and man 7 signal rather than signals should give you the list of signals which are allowed, right? Now, to give you an easy example, sigint is basically that little interrupt from the keyboard when you hit a control C, right? And sigkill is when that little kill signal with the 9 option is given. If you notice, the value is here. Okay, so let's go back. Let's take up a very simple example, signal.py. Let's import signal. Now the first thing you would have to do is actually write a signal handler. So let's call this def. And in this program, what we want to do is write a simple handler so that whenever you hit Control C to kill the program, it catches that signal and just mocks you, in the sense that the program will not die immediately. So ctrl C underscore handler, and this basically takes in the signal number frame as input, and all this does is print, haha, you cannot kill me, right? Now coming here, let's set this up, signal, and then you specifically need to give signal number. In this case, it's sigint. All of these are actually defined, so it's no worries in using it. And then you need to give the handler, which is ctrl C underscore handler. Oops. Alright. And let's do a simple print here. It says installing signal handler, right? And we do a print done here, and then let's just wait on infinite loop. Okay, fantastic. Now let's run this program. Oops, looks like a little typo. There is a little typo. Now let's run it again. Right, so now I'm hitting Control C, And if you notice, the program responds back with, haha, you can't kill me, right? So this is how signal handlers work. Now, there are different signals you can use in your program: sig alarm, SIGINT, as I've just shown you, and a couple of others, even user-defined ones for that matter. I would encourage you to look at the documentation and dig deeper, but as far as writing signal handlers is concerned and installing them, it is just this simple. So let me give you an exercise. Create a TCP server which listens to a port, but the whole idea is you don't want the TCP server to run forever. So basically implement signals in such a way that when you invoke the TCP server, you can give a command line option, let's say -s, and whatever you mention here, the TCP server will automatically shut down after that many number of seconds have passed, right? A quick hint, you can use sig alarm here to solve this problem. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the student forums and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.